Hey, let me quickly explain how you can charge AirPods Pro free. There's no power adapter on the box and also there's no cable. So first of all, you can charge AirPods Pro free by using even your phone, the Android phone or iPhone. So basically you will have to plug any USB-C cable, like literally any. You don't have to purchase like any original cable. This one is actually from Motorola, and when I'm gonna plug it in into my phone and into AirPods Pro free case, as you can see, it start charging. When this indicator lights up, it means that your device is currently charging. But also we can charge it from almost anything: laptop, PC, monitor, PS5, if it just supported the USB-C input. If you are wondering what charger we can use, so I'm using 125 watts charger from Motorola. It's safe, it's fast. Yeah, you can basically use any adapter. It works also with Apple adapter, Ugreen, Basis, Spigen, Samsung, whatever adapter you have. You don't have to also take care of wattage, because this case gonna automatically limit every power that comes to the USB-C port. So if I'm gonna use this charger, 125 watts, I'm not gonna damage AirPods or its charging case. There's also, the wireless charging. So we can just place this one on the back of your phone if it supports the wireless charging, or into the wireless charger. And that's pretty much it. That's everything that you have to know about charging this device. Thanks for watching.